All right, coming at you with another quick look. Right now we've got a Martin Custom. Now this is based on a D18 short scale, and this is truly a custom. A lot of the customs we get in the shop here are really just guitars from the big box stores that were ordered in big batches and labeled as custom, and they only had maybe one or two small things changed up. Well, this truly is a one-of-a-kind custom Martin guitar. Now you might be wondering, what kind of species is that on the front and the top here? This is Italian Alpine Spruce. Now, let me push in real tight so you can get a good look at that wood grain. It's real tight. It's got a real nice gold tone to it. Really, really classy. You can see the pick guard just a little bit different from the more common ones on the Martins. And again, this is based on a D18 short scale. You may be thinking it has some things in common with the D21, and it does. Certainly it is custom, but at its core, it's based on a D18 short scale. Wait till you see the back and the sides. Let me show you the binding first. It's got just a little bit of detail on the binding, not too much to take away from the wood there, but it does have a little bit of detail there on the binding. All right, let me show you the back and the sides. All right, check this out. So the sides and the back are Amazon Rosewood, and just look at that wood grain. I mean, the camera doesn't do it justice, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me pan it around again to the back there, and just look at the detail of that wood grain. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We've never had a combination like this in the shop before. Italian Alpine Spruce on the front and then Amazon Rosewood on the back. Just absolutely stunning. Going up the neck to the headstock, it's got a slight V groove to it, makes it real easy to play. A classic Martin headstock. Panning back down, real simple, you know, not a whole lot of ornate detail. Really just letting the wood speak for itself. And again, check out that Italian Alpine Spruce. Just beautiful, just beautiful. Take a look at the back again. Just look at the detail here. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, we're really delighted to have this in the shop here. Like I said, it's one of a kind. We've never had one with Italian Alpine Spruce and Amazon Rosewood all together. So we're really excited to have this. If you're interested in learning more about this guitar or others that we got in the shop right now, be sure to check out our website. I'll include links in the description below. And don't forget, we consider just about any item worth over $100 that's easy to ship. We'll make a cash offer on it. We are a risk-free secondhand marketplace, so be sure to check us out. Thanks for watching.